Let's be clear, outdoor TVs were never built for Texas. Sun washes them out, heat shortens their life, and size is always limited. That's why we install TXTVS Mega LED Walls. This isn't a television. It's true LED wall technology, the same kind used in stadiums, luxury venues, and high-end commercial spaces. Ours are built for full sun, engineered for Texas heat, and custom-sized to fit your space, not the other way around. Backyard, poolside, patio, or a commercial feature wall, professionally installed, custom configured, designed to stop people in their tracks. If you want a TV, buy a TV. But if you want an experience, this is TXTVS Mega LED.